students. So today from standard 8 English medium subject English grammar, chapter number 13. What is the chapter name? Active and passive voice. So we have learned about the active and passive voice. What is voice? What is active voice? And what is passive voice? And the structure of the tenses, active voice and passive voice. So here is the exercise. So see the instruction plus instruction here given. Change the voice of the following sentences. Change the sentences. Change the voice of the following sentences. So here is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative. WH questions and yes no question. WH and yes no. Interrogative sentence. So what we do? We change this interrogative active into interrogative passive. Okay? So first we understand the tense. Then find the object in the sentence. Then we change the rest of the words. Okay, let's see. Here given this, shall we donate these toys to the school? Question mark. This is the here simple future tense. Shall is used. Okay, or we can say the model. We use in the first sentence. So what we do? We write here the given here shall and will in the simple future tense, but first we find the object. Okay, shall here is why, because after the shall here given the we, pronoun we, that is why here we here use shall. So first we find the object. So see, shall, then pronoun, then the verb, then here these toys, noun. Okay, noun, then preposition and rest of the word. Okay, so what is the object? These toys. These toys is object. So what we write here? We write not shall, but we write will. We write will. Okay. Then the object. What is the object? These toys. The toys. Will these toys? Then we add one word. What word? Be. In models, will, shall, can, may, might, should, must, we use be after the models. Okay, so in the interrogative passive we use will, then the object, then be, then what we write? We write the past participle of the verb. So what is the verb here? Donate is the verb. So we write the past participle of the verb. Donated. Okay, so will these toys be donated? Then what we write? Donated to the school. School. Then by. And here given the pronoun we. So we write the subject of a doer. What? By us. Then question mark. So this is the interrogative passive form. Now comes to the second one. In the second one, to be form, present to be form is here in the given. Is anyone taking pictures of the program? So to be form is given. Then anyone. Then verb. After the verb, we find the project. What object? We find the object. So pictures of the program. Okay. So see, what is, if we make question with what we find. See, what is anyone taking? The answer is pictures of the program. We find the object, pictures of the program. According to this object, we write here to be form. So pictures, so many pictures means here the objects given here is plural. So what we write? We write to be form plural. Are pictures of the program. Okay, are the pictures of the program. Then what we write? In the continuous tense we add one word. Which word? Being. Okay, are pictures of the program being. Then what we write? Past participle. Here take is the main verb. Taking here in the continuous tense, taking we use the word. So past participle of the word is taken. Are pictures of the program being taken by anyone? Question mark. So we done 2. Now comes to third. See, do and does. When you see in the sentence, interrogative sentence is a simple present tense. You see in the third one, do you know the girl who lives next door? Relative pronoun afterwards. See, do you know the girl who lives the next door? This is the information given, more information given to the girl. Okay, relative, showing the relation to the girl. So what we write, we find here the object. So what is the object? Do you know? You know. You pronoun means the subject, then verb, then the object. Then here is the relative pronoun. So what we write? The first we write here the girl. The girl, we find it the object. So it's a singular noun. So what we write in the simple present tense? What we write the to be form. Here we find the object singular. So we write here is the girl. Okay, is the girl. Okay, here we find is the girl. Here given the more information about the girl, then we continue with this. Is the girl who lives next door. Here is already mentioned in the passive structure. Answer number third. Then we write the past participle of the verb. What is the verb? No. So is the girl who lives next door known? Known is the past participle. No, new, known. Is the girl who lives next door known by? Here the pronoun you is given, so the subject of a doer is remain same here. You and question mark. Comes to the fourth one. Have you submitted your science project? So what we do? We remain same in perfect tense. We do not change have and has. But what we do? We do not write the same as given. What we do? We identify the object in a sentence. Okay, so see, have you subject submitted, then your science project. Your science project, we find it. So your science project single. So what we do? We write here the have. Have your science project. Here given your science project. What? Singular. So what we write here? We write has. What we write? Has. Okay? Don't write have, but write has. Singular. Now, has your science project, then what we here? We add in perfect tense been. Been, then the remain past participle is given in the perfect tense, so we do not change. Submitted by, and you, we cannot change it. Okay, then fifth and sixth WH question. In WH question, what and when we do not change. When we find WHO who in active voice, we change into passive starting with by whom. Okay, then we are given what, so we write what. But let's read the sentence. What has been told to you by Nita? See, using has, been and past participle. Has, after that been and past participle. Okay, then what? This is the passive sentence. So what we do? We write the active sentence of the given sentence. Okay, so what is the active sentence of this passive? What? Then we write the remain same has. What has? Then after that we write the noun. So what is the noun here? Nita. Okay, then Nita. What has Nita? Then the past participle. What is the past participle? Told. What has Nita told to you? Question mark. So this is the active sentence. We change from passive into. Now see, when shall we start the program? So we write remain same WH when. Okay, then we write shall here. So when shall we start the program? So what we do? We identify the object. So when after that shall, then we pronoun use, then verb, then the object. Object is given the program. Here shall use. Why? Because after that we here use, that is why. So the program is object. So what we write? We write will. When will the program, this is the models, then we write be. Then past participle of the verb start, started. When will the program be started? By us and question. So this is the interrogative pattern. Okay, understanding the tense, then find the object from the sentence, then we change it. Okay, now comes to here. Here we use the models. We can change these models, adding be after the model. See, change the following sentences into passive voice. Simple sentences are given active voice. You must discuss the terms and conditions of the agreement. Object, whichever object is given, singular or plural, we cannot change the models. Okay, so you then must model use, then the verb, and this whole words is the object. How can we know? We make the question with what? What must you discuss? The answer we get it, the terms and conditions of the agreement. So the object is the terms and conditions of the agreement. Then we write the models must same. After the models we use be. Okay, in all the models we use be. Then you change active into passive. Must be. Then the past participle of the verb discussed, then by, and then you write. Okay, then second, I can eat the watermelon. It's a simple sentence. Subject, model, verb, and the object. So this object we write first the watermelon. Then after that write can, then be, then past participle of the verb eaten, then by, and I change into me. Okay, I subject, we use the subject of door, me. Okay, the watermelon can be eaten by me. Now see the third one. All students should wear their uniform to the excursion. Okay, when they go to the picnic or somewhere else for education purpose, this word is used excursion. Okay, so here all students after that should models, then verb and the object. What is the object? Their uniform. Their uniform. Then we write should. Their uniform, we find the object, then should. Then what? After the models we use be. Then the wear. Wear is the main verb. Wore, W-O-R-E, past form, and worn, past participle, W-O-R-N. Okay, their uniform should be worn. Then what? By all the students. By all the students to the excursion. Okay, or else their uniform should be worn to the excursion by all the students. Now comes to the fourth. We will give Raju another opportunity. We, then will. Future you say that, or may model you can say. We will give Raju and another opportunity. We have two objects, direct object and indirect object. So we go with the indirect object. Okay, so you are given the name Raju. Then what we write afterward? Models. Then we write be. Then the past participle. Okay. Raju will be given another opportunity. To whom? By we changing to us. We changing to us. Raju will be given another opportunity by us. If we go with the direct object, how can we make another opportunity? Okay, another opportunity will be given to Raju by us. Now number 5, you have to complete this exercise in 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the models have to, here verb is used and this is the object. What have you to complete in 10 minutes? The answer is this exercise. So this exercise is object. This exercise. After that, models we write here. You will go with have, but here this exercise is shows that what? Shows that this singular form. So we cannot write have. We write what? Has to. This exercise has to. Then what we write? We write what? Be. This exercise has to be. Then the past participle of the verb completed. This exercise has to be completed in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. Then by you. This exercise has to be completed in 10 minutes by you. So what we learn today? We learn the interrogative sentence and the models. Change active into passive. I hope you understand about these two exercises and how to make active into passive, which interrogative and models.